Hi, Roy O'Neill here from Kevin O'Leary Honda Silversprings. We're delighted to announce our 2020 Honda Civic Range. This one right here is a 1.5 turbo, 180 brake horsepower GT. All Honda Civic models come standard with Honda Sensing, which includes 8 amazing safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist and collision mitigation braking system. This car is an amazing car to drive with no shortage of power. It comes with an adaptive damper system to adjust the suspension settings and also comes with a really nice high power audio system. The Civic Range is now available from as little as €59 per week. This offer is for a limited time only from Kevin O'Leary Silversprings, the Honda people in Cork.